Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
So now, as everyone knows, that fish market is not in it's in horrible condition actually. So I think the last time it was done is probably 10 years ago. So now we are working with some of the students from architecture college and some of the professors over there to design a new fish market, one that can actually that the city deserves. So we're in the process now of approaching the vendors, asking them what difficulties they have, what are their requirements for the space. They have certain issues, like for example, the storage is an issue for them, then the drainage is an issue for them. So we're in the process of getting all of that done, and hopefully in the next year we should put in a proposal for renovation of the fish market.
Okay, so it will start by next year or?
No, so right now we're still in the planning stages. The planning should take about 1 month. Then we'll have to draw up estimates, tender, budget, and everything like that. So we want to put approximately maybe 50 to 60 lakhs. We want to put into that thing.
It
With
will be
proper
done.
SS counters, that kind of thing. So the vendors also will have a nice place to sit. It won't be as dirty. It won't be wet all the time like it is now. With proper drainage also on the outside. That is what our plan is.
So it will.
So we had a meeting with the contractor also. Now we're deciding on when to start. Now CCP we have to, as everyone knows, our building is dilapidated also, and this building also now we've gotten this building after basically 15 years. So now we need to move into the CM has given us, Chief Minister has given us the sales tax building. So we're in the process of moving there. So once we move there and once certain procedures are followed, then we can start work on our building. So that also should happen by this month.
This month will be something.
This one means by November. Let's say 10th or 15th of November, we should be ready to start.